We are on day 2. Just a reminder, the words that we are focused on today are inspire, rickety, and jittery. So I want you to think for a moment, would you be jittery if you were crossing a rickety bridge high above a river? Why or why not? If you have someone next to you, you can turn and talk using this sentence frame to complete your sentence or think to yourself. Right, we know that jittery means like you're nervous, and rickety means like it's kind of falling apart. So if it were me, I personally would be very jittery if I were crossing a rickety bridge. Some of you might be very adventurous, and maybe heights and like things that are rickety don't frighten you, and maybe you said you would not be very jittery. Let's take a look at the next example. Would you be inspired if someone said that you had a beautiful voice and could be a famous singer one day? Why or why not? Again, if you have someone next to you, you can turn and talk or think to yourself. So just as a reminder, the word inspire means to make someone feel he or she wants to do something and can do it. So how might you use the word inspire in a sentence? Does it make sense to say, my brother inspired me to try out for the baseball team because he told me I was a good baseball player? Does that use of the word inspired make sense? Right, this word in this sentence absolutely makes sense, because if someone's telling you that you're a really great player, then maybe it would encourage or inspire you to want to go and try out for the team. What about the word rickety? Try to create a sentence for the word rickety. If you have someone next to you, you can turn and talk or think to yourself. And the last word that we're going to focus on today, jittery. Try to create a sentence for the word jittery. You can turn and talk with someone, or you can think to yourself. Okay, that wraps up day 2. We'll see you back tomorrow for day 3.